You know what they say about Silicon Valley, that it's one of the most expensive places to live in the world. However, a lot of people don't realize that you can actually find a reasonable property just like this for a reasonable price in a nice community with good schools. Amrit, what do you think?
Amazing opportunity, guys, for a first-time home buyer. Low HOAs, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, very close to Union Landing, all the shopping, all the restaurants, minutes away from the BART station. You're very close to Palo Alto. It's an amazing opportunity for a first-time home buyer or an investor. Please come take a look. Thank you so much for taking the tour.
As you notice yourself, that it is a great opportunity and it's an affordable living right here in the Bay Area, close to all the Silicon Valley companies. If you have any questions, reach out to me. We'll see you soon.